The ProApto Wookie Suit is a full-body ghillie designed to eliminate the common problems related to ghillie suit uses, such as overheating, cumbersomeness, discomfort, and reduced sensory awareness. Indeed, the base maximizes sensory situational awareness, since the large 2.5 centimeters mesh enables to see through. In the same vein, the large mesh does not absorb sound waves as fabric does, resulting in virtually no impact on hearing. The Wookie Suit is extremely breathable, and its mesh base is waterproof, so it does not absorb sweat or get wet. This reduces smell retention and the potential issues related to textile freezing in cold weather. In addition, the whole base is highly resistant to abrasion and enables to apply 3D camouflage or natural elements on its entire surface. The ghillie is also extremely silent and fully adjustable according to gear and equipment variations. The size is universal, therefore it can be easily adjusted by the user as to fit different body types and clothing. Moreover, the base is MOLLE-compatible, allowing you to attach small pouches, radios, knives, and rangefinders to the chest area. This full-body ghillie system is modular. The back extension can be removed and used to cover a backpack or an observation post. Face, hands, and chest covers can be added to the system if needed, and likewise, boots covers can be implemented to the trousers. The ghillie features the ProApto PVF hood system, which secures the hood to the head while ensuring maintenance of the normal eye visual field. The hood fits the vast majority of ballistic helmets without interfering with the most common configurations. As all the ProApto ghillies, the Wookie Suit guarantees excellent visible camouflage across multiple environments. It also provides near-infrared camouflage while offering mitigation of the heat signature in the thermal infrared spectrum. Considerably, mid-wave and long-wave infrared camouflage is offered particularly above 20 degrees Celsius. The weight of the whole system varies between 1.6 kilograms to 2.6 kilograms depending on the pattern chosen. The ProApto Wookie Suit as individual 3D multispectral camouflage is both available for civilians and military worldwide.